Alright, so you can see the drawing is in progress. It's almost complete, so few details left. I'm just putting some in this side. You can see, let's move the canvas a little bit. You can see putting the white color here. Okay, so on the top portion, let's put the white color. Okay. Alright, so white color is done here, and also in this side we are putting another white combinations, but let's make it a little bluish effect. Okay, white color with a blue formation. After that one, we're putting pure white border on the outside. These are the few steps, so all drawings are the step-by-step process. And here you can see I'm putting the white color to the outward borders to define the areas of the tree leaves. You can see the areas of the tree leaves. All right, let's put other parts, the white one. Okay, and also here lots of white. All right, and in this portion just few white here like this. Okay, so that's the good thing. Putting a blue in the middle. Okay, in the middle between white and black, putting the blue formation. Okay, putting a blue here. All right, some blue is necessary. Okay, all right, let's put some blue shades to the top portions of the land here. As you can see, I'm putting few brush strokes. The canvas is little bit larger than the camera, that's why I have to move the canvas. Okay, let's use the white color mixed with the black dark color here. Because there's the shades of the mountains falling on the water, so we need to define few shades like the up down effect of the water, putting on the water some you know, the uneven surfaces, you can see. Okay, all right. Putting some white shades again on the water. Okay. All right. If you like, you can put some birds flying in the sky here. Just putting few lines and the birds. Okay. Another bird you can put here, flying. Putting the other bird here. So these are the birds just flying. Another bird maybe we're going to put here. All right. The thing is that the more you detail, the more is drawing going to look good. So there are so much places to do the details. So it's almost done, and a few grasses you're going to put here, like these strokes. You can put the grasses. Let me show you. So put some strokes like this, then the grasses is going to be done. Okay. These are the lines of the mountains. Just you can see the reflections over the water. There's the few lines I'm doing the details. Okay. So some branches are just you know, when you put the details, just put the colors like this on the one side of the shades. Okay, and in this case here you can put the shades on the one side with the white color. Just put the shade on one side. That's how the shade is done. Okay, and here just few variations in the dark surface. All right, so I think the drawing is complete. So if you like, you can do the practice at home, and also the painting is going to be good as you do practice more. So this is the painting. All right, it's like a longer canvas, but horizontally longer. All right, and this is a wooden surface. You can see here it's like a solid wood block. So the painting is done totally on the wood block. On the other side also you can see that this is wood, complete wood. All right, so this painting is almost permanent. This is, you can see, it's solid wood. And if you put the camera on the other side, you can see that also, you can see the wood block. Yeah, so wood is permanent and the acrylic painting is permanent. So I hope this is going to be last longer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel as you like the video. Have a good day.